in this quick tutorial, I'm just going to go over how to add a blog post and just how to navigate the different elements and columns you can put in your blog post. So to add your new post, on the right hand side here on the dashboard, you're going to hover over posts and go to add post. So here is where you're going to put in your title, all of your content, and it's really simple. So first off, we're going to put in our title. So I'm just going to put your test title, and then very important, please note only to use the default editor and not to use the Divi Builder. So only to use default editor. So we click on that, and here we have just the content section. So if you just want to add text, so all you can do is literally copy and paste your text in this text box here. Very easy. Now, for example, we want to add some images. We want to add some different columns. So what I'm going to do now is first to add 2 columns with 2 images. I think that's a good one. So to do that, on the top left, we're going to click on the blue square with the plus icon. And here you're going to see a lot of different elements. So here you can put tables in, list items, headings. If we go to the media section, you can see image, gallery, audios even as well, media and text. So if you want to have an image on the left, text on the right, things like that, a video as well, which is also really cool. So here we're just going to add 2 columns, because here is also a design section. So if you want to add buttons, different columns, if you want to group your content, so this is where we get all of that information. Even a separator, so all of your design elements are on the left hand side in this. To make it easier as well, so as you can see on the top right, you have your blocks, you have your patterns, you have your media, so it's easy just to navigate. Okay, so here on the blocks, we want to add a column of 2. So here we see columns. We're going to just drag and drop it, and we're going to select 2 columns. If you want to select 3 or just the different types of layouts, you can do so. But here I'm just going to do the 50-50. And now it's going to initiate me just to add content to the first column. So I'm going to go to my image, drag and drop it, go to my media. In your case, you would then go to upload files on the top left. But for me, I'm just going to grab something that's existing already in the media file. So I'm going to just grab this image and say select on the bottom right. And then again, for the right hand side, I'm just going to click in this empty space here, and it will initiate me to now add content on the right hand side. So I'm just going to scroll on the left hand side and go all the way up to my image element over here, and I'm going to drag and drop, and the same will apply. Click on the media gallery, media library, upload your file in your case, select the image, select on the bottom right, and there you have your images. So yeah, really simple. And now if we want to add, some more content, again, what we're going to do, click on the plus button on the top right. You're going to scroll down. You want to add a heading. You want to just make sure that you get it out of the 2 columns, So we're going to add our heading here, test heading. That's our test heading. And now we're going to click enter. And now it's going to give us a text box. And here you can add some more text. Or you can even add a list as well if you want to add a list. Just drag and drop, and then you can add, your list items, which is pretty cool as well. Now, once we've done that and you're happy with all of your content, you then need to start publishing. So in the next tutorial, I'm just going to go over publishing of the post and the important steps on doing that. Cool.